So I picked up the car today. It's November 29th at 4:20, and the car is still making the noise. I'm in my driveway. There's my house. I'm in my driveway, and I'm pulling out, and I want you guys to hear the noise when I go up to the street. You'll see maybe right up there is a little storm drain area up by that mailbox. And over there is where I should hear that noise. Here we go. And it's sort of a knocking noise. And here's the bump. Did you hear it? I'll try and hit some more bumps and let you guys hear it again. Thanks.